Cemetery. So ito yung school namin pag walang mga estudyante. Very quiet. Now this was my room for 2 years. Advisor ako ng grade 7. So we are now going to the 3rd floor. This is our library. So akyat tayo 3rd floor. So tahimik dahil walang kung anong tao. The last time we had students was March, and until now wala pa rin. Stay at home sila. This was my room for 1 year. Grade 9 advisor. Medyo mainit lang yung room na to nung wala pang aircon. So we are now going to the 4th floor. Medyo madilim na. Okay, 4th floor. So this was my room for 4 years with grade 9. And here, medyo madilim. My room for 2 years with grade 9 also. So sana matapos na tong pandemic na to para maging masaya ulit ang school na ito. So we're going to the gym. Matagal ko na hindi napunta na yung gym. Oh, it's closed. Yan. Sarado. Okay, so this building was constructed in the 1960s, and this is the oldest building that we have. The other side is the grade school. Medyo tahimik talaga. Okay. So we go down. So this is our travel team, temporarily ginawang parking. This is the elementary library. So dito tayo kanina galing. And this is the image of St. Roch or San Roque, our patron saint. And this is the okay, so okay na ang tour. So this is all for today. Hopefully next time we could have a tour in our senior high school building. So thank you. Have a nice day.